So for part 3 of the assignment, we're asked to reverse the functionality of the Nightlamp program, not by changing the code, but by changing the circuit. So what I did was I switched the photoresistor to be connected to power and the fixed resistor to be connected to ground. That flips the polarity of it. So what that means is that now when this guy is short, then the ADC will read the full 3.3 volts power rather than ground like it did before, and vice versa. I have more explanations on that in the documentation. So we're just, let me zoom back out. Just in this case, going to be running the original Nightlamp program, again with no modifications. I need to keep the light on to show you the difference in the circuit. I'm gonna go turn the lights off again. Okay, so as it's darker, the LED should be dark. As it's light, it should get lighter, which again is still kind of hard to see. We'll do our best. Run this here. And I think sometimes it gets interrupted by the light of the monitor when I run this, so yeah. If I get my hand in the way of the monitor, you can see the LEDs like kind of barely flickering, barely holding on. I could probably just actually put my finger over the whole thing and try to block all of it. No, then some of the current goes through my fingers. Yeah, there we go. It's basically off. We're getting a lot of 0 ADC values there. 0 voltage. Barely holding on. Now, as I bring a flashlight over, and get it right on that guy right there, that is nice and bright. You got a value near 255. So I move it partially away. We're at about halfway. Bright, dim, brighter, dimmer, brighter, and dimmer. So all we did was switch the polarity of the circuit, essentially. So we're changing essentially which part of the circuit the voltage divider is being attached to, basically, for the analog output. All right, so we have an inverted night lamp by just changing those 2 pins down there, switching their positions on the 2 different rails. And there you have it.